मतलब तुम
हाँ।
रिस्पेक्ट करिए, कल कल कमाल का रिस्पेक्ट किए थे तुम, नहीं?
तुम
रिस्पेक्ट
चुप
की
रहो,
बात मत
समझ,
किया करो,
मैंने
तुम रिस्पेक्ट का बात
कुछ
मत
नहीं
करो।
किया है।
अबे रिकॉर्ड क्यों होने लग गया?
सर आ गए क्या, देख लो। इस सर को बोलना ना कि परसों वाले क्लास का जो क्वेश्चन दिए थे वो बताएं आंसर, परसों वाला क्लियर ही नहीं कर रहे हैं।
परसों क्या दिया तो मुझे याद भी नहीं है।
अरे यार फैक्टराइज करने दिया था ना, कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने दिए थे, उसका
फैक्टराइजेशन?
आंसर बोले थे कि कल हम बता देंगे, फिर कल अपना शुरू हो गए, उसमें पूरा टाइम निकल गया, तो उसका हमको आंसर क्लियर करना है, क्या आ रहा है।
नहीं, देखो पॉइंट ये था, तुम गाली दे के दिखाओ फिर मानेंगे।
मैंने कहाँ गाली दिया है?
Good morning, dear students.
गुड
गुड
मॉर्निंग
मॉर्निंग
सर।
सर।
Good morning. Okay. I hope yesterday, whatever the problem we have solved, I think you understood. Is that fine, or is this any changes has to be done?
सर लास्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर सर, मतलब डे बिफोर यस्टरडे सर।
Yes, yes, Pushkar. We will discuss it and we will go ahead. Okay. Yes. Apart from Pushkar, anyone have any doubts regarding the yesterday's problem? What we have solved? See, these are very, very important. It's not only for the this subject, and even when you want to study for the digital circuits that you will be learning in the third semester. So there also it will be helpful for you people. So therefore, I request you study this subject as especially this module, because since you will be using and also it will be coming in your CS subjects also, so you study this subject like a competitive exam, so that it will be easy for even if you want to go for higher studies like gate exam, if you want to clear means, then these concepts really will help you over there. Is that clear?
Yes sir. So I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, Naveen, tell me.
So what will be the value of a plus a complement?
Yes, a plus a complement. Yes, 1.
One, sir.
A plus a complement will be 1. So if you, for example, if you take a is equal to 1, okay, what will be a complement? 0. So 1 plus 0, always it is 1.
Yes sir.
Okay, so if you take 0 0, so what you'll be getting? 0, a is 0, a complement is 1, so 0 plus 1, you'll be getting 1. So the a plus a bar is always, it will be equal to 1.
Yes sir.
Okay, so shall we start the class then now?
Yes sir.
Okay, so yesterday's class, so we were discussing about yesterday's class, that is a realization of the circuit. Okay, so this I think yesterday's we realized. Okay, so what they will be giving you, they will be giving you the boolean expression. A boolean expression means what? It is nothing but it is a combination of some circuits, it is a combination of some variables they will be giving you, and they will be asking you to write the or realize the given boolean expression by using basic gates. So basic gates means already we know that what are the basic gates. It is nothing but and or not, we call it as a basic gates. So with the use of the basic gates, you are supposed to realize the circuit or you are supposed to implement the circuit. So yesterday class we took up one example. So that which example we have took up is, so they have given you the expression that is nothing but y is equal to AB plus AC plus BD plus CD. So you read the question properly. What they are doing is compare the and or logic realization of the Boolean function of the example given below and its reduced form. And its reduced form means this expression can be simplified. So you try to simplify the expression, and for the simplified expression you try to write the circuit. That is the question they are asking you. Okay, so first what we are trying to do is we are writing the circuit diagram for the given Boolean expression. So what is the circuit expression they have given you? Y is equal to AB plus AC plus BD plus CD. Okay, so we need to realize or we need to implement this circuit. So how we are implementing this circuit, you can see here. Whenever there is a AND operation is there in between the variable, it is called as an AND gate. multiplication is there, we call it as an AND gate. Wherever there is a plus symbol is there, then we need to use a OR gate. Wherever plus symbol is there, we need to use a OR gate. So you can see here what is it, A and B, or A multiplied B means it is a AND gate realization. This is the AND gate realization. This is the AND gate realization, and this is the AND gate realization. And finally, what you are supposed to do is you need to plus all the outputs. We need to plus all the outputs. So therefore, what I will be doing is I will be passing this through one of the OR gate. I will be passing through the one of the OR gate. Okay, so therefore you can see A into B. So I have given one terminal to A and one terminal to B, and this we call it as an AND gate. Okay, so the output will be your A into B. So you'll be getting AB. Similarly, what you have, A into C is there. So therefore, if you pass this A terminal and B terminal to AND gate, you'll be getting AC. Similarly, you'll be getting BD, and the last one, what you'll be getting a CD. Okay, so these are the outputs. So now what we need to do is we need to sum all these elements. So if you want to sum all these elements means I told you sum means OR gate you need to use. So therefore what I have done is I have used this OR gate, 4 terminal OR gate I have used and have summed. So that you'll be getting Y is equal to AB plus AC plus BD plus CD you'll be getting. So this we call it as a realization of the given Boolean expression or implementation of the circuit we call it as. Okay, so this is the first part. Now what they are giving you, given example, okay, we wrote this diagram. Now what they are asking you, you need to represent the circuit in a reduced form. Reduced form means if there is any simplification is possible in this diagram or in this expression, you try to simplify the expression and then you need to write down the expression. And for this expression, you need to write down the circuit diagram they are telling you. So therefore, we try to simplify. So how we are simplified? So in the first two terms, you had a common. So if you take A as a common, what you have left? B plus C you have left with. In the second two column, what is a common? D is common. So if you take common, so you'll be getting BC. Now BC is there in both the terms. So if you take BC as a common, so you have left with A plus D. Okay, so now you can see here, this we call it as a reduced form. For further reduction is not possible. Why? Because there is no any further operation. Even if you do means it will remain the same only. So we will not go for the further reduction. So now for this circuit, I need to apply the circuit, or for this expression, I need to write down the circuit. So I told you, right? So you can see here, it is sum is there and it is sum is there. So sum means what? You are supposed to use a OR gate. You are supposed to use a OR gate. Okay. So here also you are supposed to use a OR gate. So if you give 2 terminal to OR gate, you will be getting A plus B. So if you give and B and C to the OR gate, you will be getting B plus C. Now in between them, what is there? In between them, bracket is there, means multiplication. So multiplication means you need to use a AND gate. You need to use a AND gate. Okay, so therefore I have written over here. So you can see A plus B, I have written one OR gate. Okay, next B plus C, I have written one more OR gate. Okay, next what? I need to multiply the product is there. So therefore I have given to AND gate. So if I give that to AND gate, what we'll be getting is the first terminal, what is there? A plus B into B plus C will be getting. So this is the answer. Okay, so now you can see here, if you directly realize the given circuit with the logic expression means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gates you have used. But if you go for the reduced expression, you can see here 1, 2, 3 with the use of only 3 gates, you can able to realize. Is that clear? Any doubts is there in this diagram, in this problem? Yes, anyone? Yes, Krupa, Kishore, Kavya, any doubts? Kumar?
No, sir.
No, right? Okay. Shall we go for the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take down this expression. Take down this problem. Take down this. Analyze the logic circuit for the figure below and show that it can be replaced by a single NAND gate. Take on this. Analyze the logic circuit of the figure below and show that it can be replaced by a single NAND gate. So they have given you reverse process. They have given you. Now what they have given? They have given you this diagram. That is diagram they have given you. That is a circuit diagram they have given you. For this circuit diagram, you need to write down the expression. And they are asking you. You try to reduce that expression, and you make sure that whether that reduced expression can be implemented or can be realized by using a single NAND gate. They are asking you. Okay, please make a note of this problem, and we will try to solve this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Pushkar.
So we will draw the diagram also.
Yes, you should draw the diagram. Means that diagram is included in the problem itself.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you write down the diagram carefully. See, this is AND gate. Okay, and this is OR gate. This is OR gate. This is NOT gate. You can see here for the AND gate, there is a bubble is there. So it is a not an AND gate. And you can see this is bubble is there. For the OR gate, you have a bubble. So you should carefully observe this diagram and you please make a note of it. Yes, can anybody tell me the expression? What will be your F? What will be your F? Can anybody tell me? Yes. F is
A dot B the whole bar
A dot B
whole bar
whole bar.
plus
Yes.
A bar plus B the whole bar
A bar plus B the whole bar. Yes, very good. Very good. See how we have written is, you can see here at the output. See, from this you need to come. From this end you need to come. So what is this? It is a OR gate is there. That is why I have written OR gate over here. Now what is there? First you can see, check this output. What is this output? A AND is there, but bubble is there. So means what? It is a NAND gate. It is a NAND gate. So NAND gate means what is that? AB NAND. So you'll be getting AB of this bar you'll be getting. Next, bottom this line, you check it out. What is this? It is a OR with bubbled. So it is a NOR gate. Okay. So what is a NOR gate expression? Whatever the output, you need to put a bar for that. ORing plus bar. So what is one terminal is there? A bar is there. One terminal what is? B is there. Since it is a NOR gate, so therefore I am writing a whole bar for this. Is that clear?
Then why, sir, you have written A bar there?
A bar, see here for the input, it is A bar is given. A is not directly appearing. It is undergone in inverter.
Okay.
Inverter is there. So you can see, that is why carefully observe the diagram and you will write down. Not yet. Yes. Inverter or not gate. Yes. Yes. Now you try to realize this expression or try to simplify this by using an De Morgan's law, and make sure that whether it can be, means the entire circuit diagram can be replaced with a single NAND gate or not. That is the question. Try to do this. If anyone has done, means you please tell us how you have done, so that we will proceed in that manner only. Yes. Anyone? Okay. So we will see it over here. Okay. See, he can see here. Can you able to see this expression? Whatever the expression we have given, no, the same expression I am writing. Whether this expression is correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we will do is, we will try to apply the De Morgan's law if possible. Yes.
Yes, sir. It will be B bar plus A bar, sir.
Which one? B bar plus?
Oh, I think change the question. The first,
The question, yes.
the other question you gave me, sir, that one. Yeah, this one.
This same only.
Yes, sir. It will be B bar plus A bar, sir.
B bar plus?
A bar.
Yes, correct. Very good. The answer will be B bar plus A bar. So the same question I have written over here.
It's B bar plus A only, sir. Sorry.
B bar plus A. Okay, we will check it out. We will check it out. Okay, see here. Okay, I have written the same expression. Now you see here what I have done. Okay, what I have done, I will tell you. See, the first thing I didn't change anything. The first term I didn't change anything. What is this? AB bar whole bar is there. That is what I have written. Now here what is this? A bar plus B bar, A bar plus B whole bar is there, right? So I have applied the De Morgan's law over here. So when I apply a De Morgan's law over here, what happens? This one, A bar is already there. One more bar will be appearing. Okay. Into, what is this? This plus will become a multiplication into B bar. So I have applied a De Morgan's law for this second term. Okay. So what happens to this and this? For this first term one, again I am applying a De Morgan's law over here. What I have applied? A into B whole bar is nothing but A bar plus B bar. AB whole bar, I have applied a De Morgan's law. So what you will be getting? A bar plus B bar. And what is the answer? A double bar means what is the answer?
A, sir.
Yes, because when you take the twice, yes, when you take the twice complement, so you'll be getting A only. So that I have written A only. Next, into what is this? B bar. So into B bar I have wrote. Okay. Next, how you done the simplification? Can anybody tell me how from this expression?
We will take B bar as common from second and third term.
Yes, very good. See, when you take B bar as a common, so what you have left with, when you take a B bar as a common, so what you have left with, 1 plus A you will be getting. But we know that 1 plus A is nothing but it is 1 only. So 1 into B bar, you will be getting a B bar only. Okay, so previous what you have, A bar is there. So A bar I have kept as it is. Okay, so now you can see here, what is this? A bar plus B bar. So I can apply a De Morgan's law. So what is that? It is nothing but A into B whole bar. So I can write A into B whole bar. So this A into B whole bar can be written as A bar plus B bar, or A bar plus B bar can be written as A into B whole bar. So now can you tell me what is this? What is this expression? AB whole bar. Yes, what is this AB whole bar expression? Yes, Kumar.
NAND gate
Yes,
expression.
yes, NAND gate expression. Therefore, you can see here. So if I have a two terminal, that is A and B. So if I pass these to a NAND gate, what will be your output? Output will be AB whole bar or A dot B whole bar. So that was the question they have asked you, right? So what is the question they have asked you? And it whether show that it can be replaced by a single NAND gate or not. So whatever we have done the simplification, yes, it can be replaced by a single NAND gate. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go for the next one? Shall we go for the next one? Others?
Yes, sir.
See, you will be having two expressions. Okay, one we call it as a sum of product, we call it as, and one more we call it as a product of sum. Okay, so sum of product means, so you can see a sum of product. You will be having a summation of product value. So what summation of product value? What is this? A into B, it is a product. C into D bar, it is a product. B bar into C, it is a product. So we call such a expressions as sum of product. We call it as a such a expressions are sum of products. Okay, we will be having one more type of expression. So we call it as a product of sum. We call it as a product of sum. So what is the product of the sum? You can see here, this is the product, this is the product, and this is the product. And each product, it is a summation is there or sum is there. Each term is the sum is there. Okay, so in general, when you want to realize the Boolean expression, there are two types of expressions you will be getting. One we call it as a sum of products, or we call it as a product of sums. Okay, sum of products means you can see here the product individual element will be in the form of product and you are adding them. So therefore we call it as a sum of product values. This is one type of expression. There is one more type of expression, what we call it as a POS, that is nothing but product of sums. You can see all the expression, it is a product only, but each product value, it is a sum expression. Okay, so there will be two type of expression will be there. So you please make a note of these two examples and you please write this is a sum of product and this is a product of sum. You please make a note of this and we'll go to the next question. So, are you able to understanding this subject? Yes, Lisha, Likita, Mahindra, Manasa, KV, are you able to understanding this subject?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Others?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So those who are completed, you please take down this expression or this problem you take down. Take down this one. For the Boolean function, f is equal to a plus b bar into cd plus e. Obtain the and or implementation. Obtain the and or implementation. Yes, now anybody tell me whether it is a sum of product or product of sum expression?
Sir, product of sum.
Yes, product of sum expression, because you can see in between the two elements we have a product and each element is a composition of some value. So we call it as a product of sum expression. Now I request everyone please write on the circuit diagram for this. By looking at the diagram, I request everyone please write on the circuit diagram. See, by looking at the expression, so I will be writing the circuit diagram. So first what you have, a plus b bar you have. So I will take one terminal a and one more terminal. I need a b bar. So what I will be doing is I will be passing this b to a NOT gate. I will be passing b to a NOT gate. Okay, so this you got. Now what? A plus b bar. What is this b plus means? I told you it is a OR expression I should use. So I should use a OR expression. So I used the OR expression. So you got a plus b bar. So that is a plus b bar you got. A plus b bar you got. Now what you have? CD plus E is there. So here CD is one term is there. E is one more term is there. Then I need to add them. Okay. So therefore what I will do is I will create that is one AND gate. I will create one AND gate. Okay. And this I will be getting CD. I will be getting this CD. So this is C and this is D. Now what? You have a E is there. So now what you can see here? CD plus E. So this plus means OR gate, right? So I should pass this CD to an OR gate. I should pass this CD to an OR gate. I have passed this CD to an OR gate. One more terminal was E. So I will pass this to an E. And I will pass this to an E. Now what? You need to product. So the product of these two terms is to be there. So this you got and this you got. Product means I need to use an AND gate. So I will be using the AND gate over here. I will be using the AND gate. Okay. So this will be your output Y. put 1. Are you able to understanding? Are you able to understanding this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. See, the same thing they have written over here. A B bar, that is nothing but this one is A plus B bar, A plus B bar. Okay, and this is CD, and this is what? CD plus E, CD plus E, and this you have a product. This you have a product. Is that clear? Shall we go for the next one? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 1
Okay.
minute, please.
Yes, tell me. See, I will be uploading this in materials, okay? Whatever the module 5 I have got, or whatever the notes I have got, I will be uploading in this class material, in this CSEE one team is there, right? So in that I will be uploading, so you can download the material. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall we go for the next one? Okay. Take down this expression. Take down this. Take down y is equal to a bc plus abc bar plus a bar bc. Take down this. So we will realize by using basic gates, by using NAND gate, and by using NOR gate. We will do this and we'll go to the next concept. Take down the expression. What is that? Y is equal to ABC plus ABC bar plus A bar BC. Is that over? Taking down the question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will try to solve this. Okay. So now what is the first thing you can see here? ABC is there. ABC bar is there. So what I can take? I can take AB as a common. So if I take AB as a common, what you will be getting? C plus C bar you will be getting. C plus C bar you will be getting. Plus the remaining what? A bar BC you have left. Okay. So now what? C plus C bar we already know. What is that? It is 1. So 1 into AB you will be getting AB. Next, what is that? A bar BC you got. A bar BC you got. Again here in this what I am doing is I am taking a B as a common. So if I take B as a common, so what will be left is A plus A bar C you have left. And this A plus A bar C I am applying a De Morgan's law. If I apply a De Morgan's law, what you will be getting is A plus A bar into A plus C you will be getting. So A plus A bar it is 1. So 1 into B you will be getting B only. So B into A plus C. So what you'll be getting? You'll be getting AB plus BC you'll be getting. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what you are supposed to do is you need to write down the circuit first thing by using basic gates. By using basic gates, okay? So NAND, NOT, OR, AND, by using those you need to write down this expression. Okay, so how we can write down the expression? So you can see what is that? AB plus BC is there, right? So what I will do, A and B I will pass to AND gate. So I will be getting AB. I will be getting AB. I will be getting AB. Okay, now what BC is there? So I will be passing this B and C to one more AND gate. I will be getting BC. Now what I should do, add them. So what I will do, I will pass this to one more OR gate because I need to add them, right? So I will be passing through one more OR gate. I will be getting the output. This is Y. So this is B or C. See, either we can do like this or we can realize this expression also. Both are same. See what they have done is See, they have taken B as a common. So if they take B as a common, now what you have left? B into A plus C. So what you should do is, first you should do the addition of A plus C by using OR gate, and then you need to multiply this with a B. So multiplication means AND gate. So for this A plus C, they are giving it to an AND gate. So you'll be getting the output. See, either you can go for this expression, or you can go for this expression or diagram. So this is also correct. This is also correct. Did you understood this one? Yes? No? Students, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, Nihal is here. Nihal. No. Okay. Nikhil is here. Is Nitin? So we'll
Yes,
make
sir.
all.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Nitin. Yes, now you tell me how you are going to realize by using NAND gate.
Yes.
NAND gate you need to realize. How you are going to do it, Nitin? How you are going to do it, Nitin? Tell me the answer, or what is the approach you are going to adapt for this?
By using NOT as well as AND gate, sir.
By using NOT and as well as AND gate. Yes, we get a NAND gate. Directly you have a NAND gate. Now what they are writing is, see, you should not use any other gate. By using NAND gate only, you need to solve this expression, or you need to arrive at a circuit.
Yes, sir.
How you do that?
First take AB NAND gate, sir.
Okay.
And then take BC NAND gate, sir. And put the both outputs in another NAND gate, sir.
Why you have done like that, Nitin? Is there any reason behind it?
Because we have to use only NAND gate, no, sir. So you have
Okay.
to use only NAND gate.
Okay. See how what is the approach? Yes, the Nitin approach, whatever he said, it is correct. What is the approach is, see, this is the expression. What is that? AB plus BC, right? This is the approach. See, what you are supposed to do is, when they ask you to realize the any circuit means by using either NAND gate or not gate, what you should do is, you should apply a double complement to this. You should apply a better double complement to this. Why we should apply a double complement to this? Because we know that if I apply a double complement to any element, it will be same. It will remain as the original only. Okay. So therefore, it's better you apply a double complement to this. Okay. So now you try to simplify. Okay. So what I have done, see, for this, I have applied a De Morgan's law. What I have applied? So this double bar, the first bar is, I have kept it as it is. So what is this? So this is nothing but it is A bar. Okay, multi into BC, I have done BC bar. Okay, so now you can see here, this is 1. I can realize this by using one NAND gate. I can realize this one NAND gate, and the entire thing, this, it is a product, right? So it is a product. So one term, let's say it is P, AB bar is P, it is C, it is D, let's say D. So what is this? It is P and D bar. So means this also I can realize this one more NAND gate. So therefore, what I have done is, see, I have done in this manner. So in order to implement by using only NAND gate, first what I have done a double complement to this. When you do the complement, so you'll be getting AB bar, you'll be getting AB bar into BC bar, you'll be getting. Similarly, you have a double complement, that bar you have written like this. So this, by use, I can implement one NAND gate, and this entire thing I will be implementing is one more NAND gate. Okay, so therefore you can see, by using a NAND gate, what I have written, AB bar. So this is your AB bar. This is your AB bar. And the below one is, it is a BC bar. Below one is BC bar. And output Y. What is this? It is a AB bar into BB bar whole bar. So that is why you can realize by using NAND gate. Are you able to understanding whether you understood this one? Yes, students.
Yes.
Understood? Yes, Monisha. Understood? Arpita?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now can you do the same thing by using NOR gate? Instead of NAND, you need to realize by using NOR gate. Yes, what is the procedure you are going to adopt? Yes, Arpita, can you just tell me the procedure? What is the procedure you are going to tell for this? NOR gate I need to apply.
We'll take B common, sir.
And B common, see again it will become a product you will be getting, right? Single term product you will be getting again, Pushkar. It's better. It's better we will go with this method only. Okay. Whatever the method we got it right here only. So you can see the same method I have written by using NOR gate. You can see two complement I have taken. Okay, and then I have done De Morgan's law. I have applied again for individual element. I have applied a De Morgan's law. What is this? A bar plus B bar. See, AB whole bar I can be written as A bar plus B bar. Similarly, BC whole bar I can written B bar plus C bar. Okay, now again if I write again, it is a multiplication is there. I need some product, because what is NOR gate? NOR gate is nothing but complement of OR gate. So it is a complement of OR gate. Complement of OR gate. Okay, so which is also similar, which is you can write like this also, A plus B whole bar. It is can be written as, that is nothing but A bar into B bar. Okay, both are same only. Both are same only. Okay, so therefore you can see here what I have written, A bar plus B bar into B bar plus C bar. I can write it as A plus A bar plus B bar whole bar and B bar plus C bar whole bar. Okay, and now one more thing, if you remember, you can see here, see A plus B bar is there. So if I in place of A, in place of B, I have substitute A, what will be the answer? In this case, for this, in place of B, I will substitute A, means what will be your answer? A plus A. What is the answer? A plus A. A plus A. What is the output? Yes. Anyone?
A only,
A
sir.
bar, sir.
A
A
only.
only, right? A only, A bar. So means what? What is it indicates that if I want an A bar means, then what you are supposed to do is you need to pass through one NOR gate. You need to pass through one NOR gate. Okay, so therefore you can see what you have, A bar, B bar, C bar, C bar is there, right? So therefore I am passing one to a NOR gate. I am passing through a NOR gate. So you'll be getting A bar, you'll be getting A bar, you'll be getting B bar, and you'll be getting a C bar. Okay, now what you need? A bar plus B bar. So A bar plus B bar, you'll be getting this. Whole bar you'll be getting. Similarly here, B bar plus C bar you'll be getting. Okay, but A bar plus B bar in plus B bar plus C bar you got, but here complement is there. If you remember, is this complement is there. So since if you want to get a complement, again I am passing to one more NOR gate. So therefore your output will be holds this expression. Okay, so you please make a note of this circuit
Excuse me,
diagram.
sir.
Yes, Pushkar.
Sir, if at last, if it will be A bar plus B bar plus B bar plus C bar, then sir, we don't need that one more NOR gate, no, sir?
Yes, if it is expression like this, whatever you said, it is absolutely correct. You can see A bar plus B bar. Okay, plus B bar plus C bar. If this is the case, whatever you said, it is correct.
Yes.
Okay, but here you have bar is there. You please take it over here. Bar is there. Okay, so you need to negate that. In order to negate that, we are passing to one more NOR gate.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, because of I am lagging in syllabus, so I am taking how many duration that other faculties will take it in a class? Is Pushkar? How many duration they will take whole class, or they will take 40 minutes, 45 minutes?
The maximum they will take up to 40 to 50 minutes, sir.
Is it? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
sorry, I am taking full class. Why? Because since I am lagging in the syllabus, so therefore I am taking the class. Okay. So please don't mind. For 1 week or 2 weeks, I will do that. After that, once the syllabus is covered, I will be leaving you 10 minutes break also. Okay. Okay. Shall we go for the
So
next
from
one?
today you will take 2 class, sir.
From
Sir, from today you will take 2 class, sir.
Sir, you have been muted.
Sir, you are muted, sir.
sorry. Take down these two examples. Take down this one. First one is you please take this as a homework. Take down this one. Y is equal to BC plus A bar B plus AC. Take down Y is equal to BC plus A bar B plus AC. You need
Excuse
to
me, sir.
Yes, Pushkar.
Sir, that NOR gate I have not written, sir.
Which one,
The
Pushkar?
last question NOR gate. Explain, na? Yes, sir.
Yes.
Can you scroll up, sir?
Yes.
Yes,
Pushkar.
just 1 minute, sir. Okay.
See, you please try to solve one or two problems so that you will get some clear idea. So first time when you're doing so you'll be having a doubt why I need to take this one more NOR gate, this addition I need to take. So that will be doubt is there. So you just realize it. You please realize once again this answer is correct. Is it over? Yes.
Yes, sir. Over.
Okay. Okay. Take down these two problems and we will go to the next concept. You take down these two problems. The first expression y is equal to bc plus a bar b plus ac. So you need to realize the circuit by using basic gates. BG means basic gates and UG means universal gates. That is nothing but using NAND and NOR. Next, one more expression y is equal to a into ABC whole bar plus a b bar c. You need to realize this circuit by using a basic gates. And you please take down this as a homework and I will ask you in the next class. Definitely I will be asking you next class because I want to understand how much concept you have understood or not. So definitely I will be asking to everyone tomorrow's class. Is it over? Please take down fast.